Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a package which inside Vue 3 where you can integrate it to show country flags of all the countries. So you can see United States, France, India. So in this way you can use this package. I will show you the full configuration. The package name is, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is vue-country-flag next. If you just search vue country flag next, so this is actually the package. Just search for this, and I've already installed it. So the command is simple, and then it's almost having 11,000 weekly downloads. It's a pretty popular package. And now to configure this package, you just need to open your main.ts file inside your Vue.js project, and then you need to require this package. We need to configure it, just register it. So we just need to write the import statement, import country flag, and this will be coming from the package vue-country-flag next, and it's almost 298 kilobytes. So we import this package, then we just need to register it. So we just say app.component and then the component name, which is country flag, and we pass the actual package country flag. That's all. So now you can close this file and now come to the app.vue file. So just create the template, and inside the template we will define the country flags that you need to embed. So you can directly embed this right here. So we have the component country flag and we pass the option, so which is the country. So which country you want to display the flag. So 2-letter digit code of that country. So US, United States, and then you can even configure the size as well. So if you want the size of the flag to be big, so you will say size is equal to big. So if you refresh your browser, you will see now the flag is appearing. You will see. So in this way you can do this for other countries as well. So just need the 2-letter digit code. So you will see all these flags will appear. So in this easy way you can integrate this module. You import this first of all, then come inside your template. Just so we have these two parameters, country and the size here. We also have normal size as well, and if you also want small size, so three options are there: big, normal, big, small. So you will see, depending upon your applications, if you need the large size, you can use that as well. So this is the actual module. Very simple module. You can just check out their documentation as well. So there is also this property rounded. So if you do want the flag to be rounded, you will put this property and provide it to true. So now it will have rounded corners. So if you refresh, you will see now it has rounded corners, the flag. And if you do want a shadow as well, by default it is set to false, but you can even provide a shadow as well. So you can add these two options. So in this way you can add this very easily. So it will just enhance it, just giving a slight little shadow to the flag. So now it is having this nice little shadow as well. So these are all the options it supports. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.